Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete both messages in Slack. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. The ability to delete a bot message in Slack depends on the few factors. Your role within the workspace determines your ability to delete messages. Typically, only workspace owner or admin can delete any messages, including those posted by bots. The bot's specific permission also plays a role. Sometimes bot might be programmed to allow their message to be deleted by authorized user, while other might have their message set as permanent. Now to delete bot messages, just go to the message and hover your mouse towards the message. Then this type of 3-dot button will appear in the screen. Click on it. Then you can see delete message option. Click on delete message. To confirm your delete, click on delete once again. Then your message will be deleted. This is how you can delete both messages in Slack. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.